This is why we yawn. Scientists have puzzled over this phenomenon for years. We now know a few things. Firstly, it's not just a sign of boredom or sleepiness, although it certainly feels that way during long meetings or early morning lectures. Yawning might actually serve a deeper purpose, like helping regulate brain temperature or increasing oxygen intake. Picture this. Your brain, like a little overheated computer, sends out a signal saying, "Hey, I need a cool down." Enter the yawn, bringing in a rush of fresh air to reboot the system. And here's the kicker. Yawning is contagious. It's like the world's most irresistible chain reaction.